Hello friends, this day a lot of requests about how this was done by Antonin. But the main question is what the heck is a luminance blur? And a lot of questions, and actually if you go to site Cavalry, you will see that luminance blur is quite boring effect. I mean, it's not bad, but it's simple effect. And we have the same in After Effects, if you are knowing After Effects and we are talking with you on the same language. How it could be done? Let's try to do this together. So we have emptiness. We have emptiness here, and we have digit 8. I like digit 8. And what we have next? We have luminance gradient, luminance ramp. I will do it by simple making a shape layer, because I like shape layers. And I'll have from it black, and this will be white. Yeah. Next, I will, for my convenience, I will skip some part where I create controller for this gradient, because I like to do like this. So what I have here is null, which controls my gradient. It will be big or small, and ramp is also controlled here. So this is just my setup for myself. Okay, this we'll call Luma map. All right, next one, we need to create adjustment layer. And in this adjustment layer, I will add effect, which is actually, I think it's the same as luminance blur. It's called compound blur. It's here. And we need to add Luma map with effects, because maybe we will add some blur here also. And that's it. Actually, it works like a charm, and it's doing the same. If we need to do it more beautiful, do we need to do it more beautiful? I think yes. We will make it about 100. We have some dirt here. To clean it, there are some solutions. One is to use lens blur, camera lens blur. And we will add here also Luma map with effects, because if we add some effects, we need that it will work. Yep. Add some, maybe 60, 70. Everything is according to your feel of beautiness. And actually, this is all. But if we want to do it a bit more beautiful, we can add very beautiful glow. And I prefer, which one? Deep glow. And with it, we have some beautiful colors here. With standard settings, I change only input masking. Without. Next step, we can rename it Blue 8. And this Blue 8, together with reference, I'll put to my new composition, single composition, and I will make it double size. Yeah, and if we duplicate it, it will be very close. Also, we can add some color changes here in our BG, or as everybody call it, background. For this, I will copy null and Luma map to my main comp. And in my Luma, I will change colors. I will enable it and change colors from this will be surroundings. And this will be maybe some cold variant of color. Yes, I think yes. So this is how, this is my approach of this effect. It's not the same, because software is not the same, and this was made not by me. This is how I feel it could be done, and I think it's very close. No, if you think other, okay, no problem. If you think the same, please copy, share, and I hate to say it actually. Just thank you and bye. Bye.